I have these leftover hearts from Valentine's. 2 are open, small ones, and 4 are larger ones, and I'm painting them in our Mandarina by Wise Owl. You can find Wise Owl paints at chocolatefancy.com. I have these little sticker pearls. They're like a half a pearl, and I started painting them in our chocolate, and then I said, you know what, I'm just going to spray them in black. It made it so much easier. I have these 2 yellow eggs from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to vamp them up by putting some antiquing on the slats and around the edges and allowing that to dry. These came in a pair of 2. Then I took these little blocks, you can get them at the Dollar Tree, painted them in Mandarina, and glued them to the bottom of my eggs. Then I took the closed hearts and put them on top of those blocks and glued them as feet. And then I took the open heart and glued it as a beak. I found this pineapple box at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take my miter box. If you're interested in this miter box, just say miter box in the comments, and I will post a link to our affiliate Amazon store. And I'm going to take the top of the pineapple off the box using my miter box, and then paint the sides of my box in Goldenrod by Wise Owl. And then I'm going to paint the fronts, mostly at the base. I'm going to add the eyes. These were those pearls that I sprayed in the black. And then I'm going to glue my egg to each side of my box. And then I'm going to touch up with some of the goldenrod on the back of my egg or any exposed unfinished areas. Then I'm going to take some chocolate and make these slats on the sides of my box. And this is just going to pull everything together. And this is just watered down chocolate. Then I'm going to take this yellow ribbon that I picked up at the Dollar Tree and make a bow using the hanger hole in the eggs. Then you can fill your box with some grass and whatever candy or treasures you like to put in there. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chocolatefancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, don't forget our cutouts, chocolatefancy.com.